Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to activate an HSBC debit card. Before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like this. To activate your HSBC debit card, all you need to do is follow these steps. The quickest way to activate your new card is through our mobile app or online banking. Or you can find out more information about activating your card, mobile bank app, cash machine, and many more. So the first thing you need to do is to log in using biometrics on your secure key and then tap on the account for the card you want to activate. Then manage cards, for which you have to go to manage cards and select activate card. Now select the card and choose the card you need to activate. After that, click to confirm. Review the information displayed and tap confirm. Your card is now activated. So that's it for this video guys. If you found this useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.